Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix failed check for updates error in Genshin Impact. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, press S, and then you will see this window here. And first thing what you need to do here is to write IP config/flush DNS, and then another is Nesh winsock reset, right? After that, you need to restart your computer, and after you do so, then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to network and internet, then you need to go to advanced network settings, and here should be network reset and reset your network. If you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing, but if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again once your computer is rebooted, right? And after that, if this doesn't work, another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and then select your internet connection here, then select more adapter options, and then you need to double click on Internet Protocol version 4, then select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and on a preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternative DNS server, you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, and then you need to make sure that your operating system is fully up to date. And to check that, you just need to go to settings, and then you need to go to Windows Update, and if there is an update for you, you need to install all the updates and run with the latest version of your operating system. And the next step, what you need to do here is to, on search, you need to look for Genshin Impact. Then you need to open file location. Then again, right click on it and open file location. Then scroll up until you see Genshin Impact game. Then you should see Genshin Impact TXE file. So what you need to do here next is to right click on it, go to show more options, then select create a shortcut. If you're getting this window that says Windows can't create shortcut here, you want the shortcut to be placed on desktop. So there will be two options. Either it could be on this folder, the new shortcut, or on your desktop. So mine is on my desktop. So what I need to do here next is to run the game with the new shortcut, and the error should be fixed. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.